Hello students, this is my ninth lecture. The topic is curl. We know that the curl is a vector quantity. Okay. The definition of curl is the curl of a vector point function f bar x y z is denoted by curl of f bar and is given by del cross. That means the curl of f bar equals to del cross f bar. We know that the divergence is del dot f bar, so the curl is del cross f bar. Remember that the formula of curl of vector point function f bar is del cross f bar. Meaning of curl: if vector v bar be a linear velocity, then curl v bar means rotation or turn of v bar. Next, irrotational or conservative vector or conservative vector field. F bar is said to be irrotational or conservative. F bar is said to be irrotational or conservative vector or vector field provided a curl F bar is 0. That means if the value of curl of F bar is 0, that means this curl is a conservative vector or irrotational vector. Okay. No curl means no rotation. No curl means no rotation. Scalar potential, or we can say phi. Scalar, this is the important topic. Scalar potential or phi. If f bar is irrotational, then if f bar is irrotational means curl of f bar equals to 0. That means del cross f equals to 0. Say this is the equation number 1. Also it can be proved that curl of grade phi equals to 0. That means del cross del phi equals to 0. There is to simplify this equation del cross del phi, there is no need to any proof, because del is a vector quantity, means I del by del x plus j plus del by del y k bar j bar plus del by del z k bar. Okay. And del phi is also I bar del phi by del x plus j bar del phi by del y plus k bar del phi by del z. So we know that if two vectors, if the same two vectors means written in cross product, so the value of this cross product is 0. That means I cross I equals to 0, j cross j equals to 0, and k cross k equals to 0. Therefore the value of curl of grade phi equals to 0 or del cross del phi equals to 0. So this is the equation number 1. Now comparing 1 and 2, compare these two equations. The RHS of these two equations is same. Therefore, on comparing these two equations, we will get f bar equals to del phi, means that two equations are equal. Therefore, f bar equals to del phi. So, if f bar is irrotational, suppose if f bar is irrotational, that means curl of f bar equals to 0, then we can consider this equation f bar equals to del phi. But the condition is that f bar is irrotational. So if f bar is irrotational, then f bar equals to del phi, where phi is a scalar point function. Okay. Or phi is also called scalar potential. So remember one thing, that the phi is given here, which is scalar point function, not surface. Okay. Here phi is scalar point function. So if we are given that the curl of vector point function is 0 or irrotational, then we can assume f bar equals to del phi. Okay, we can assume this equation f bar equals to del phi. So we will discuss some problem based on this scalar potential function phi. So first question is, if f bar equals to x plus y plus 1 I bar plus j minus x plus y k show that f dot curl of f bar equals to 0. So let f bar is and consider curl of f bar. So curl of f bar means del cross f bar. So curl of f bar is this. If we know that if our vectors in ijk form, then we solve this curl by determinant. So here del is also ijk form, f bar is also ijk form. So we solve this curl of f bar by determinant. So del cross f, so value of del is this and f is this. So write first basic components ijk. In second row write first vector component del by del x, del by del by del by z, and in third row write second vector component x plus y plus 1 1 and minus of x plus y. And after that solve this question by determinant method, means I as it is cross this, okay, means del by del y minus of x plus y and minus del by del z into 1 minus j. This is the formula of determinant, okay. minus j then this del by del x minus x plus y and del by del z x plus y plus 1. Next plus k this term, okay. After simplifying it, we will get minus I minus j into minus 1 plus k into 0 minus 1. So the value of curl of f bar is minus I plus j minus k. Now we are given that we have to solve, or we have to show that the f dot curl of f bar equals to 0. That means we have to solve it and prove it the value of f dot curl of f bar equals to 0. Okay, so now calculate f dot curl of f bar. So value of f bar is this and dot product with curl of f bar, and the value of curl of f bar is minus I plus j minus k. Now take dot product. After taking dot product, we will get this term, and simplifying it we get value 0. Therefore curl of f bar equals f dot curl of f bar equals to 0, hence proved. Next, second question. If a bar is this, then find curl of a and show that the vectors given by curl of a at point 1 to minus 3 and 2 3 12 are orthogonal, okay. We are given that a vector point function f, vector point function a, and we have to show that the curl of this vector point function, okay. We have to calculate curl of vector point function a bar, and after calculating it we have to put on these 2 points, okay. We have to put on this point. First point is 1 2 minus 3 and second point is 2 3 12. After putting these 2 points on this curl of a, we will get two vectors, means curl of a at point this and curl of a at point second point. Now we are given as these two vectors are orthogonal. That means if these two vectors are orthogonal, then the value of dot product of these two vectors is 0, okay. So in this question we have to prove that. So consider vector point function. After that calculate curl of a. So curl of a, write for in first row ijk, in second row the component of del, and in third row the component of second vector. Solve this determinant. After solving this determinant we get the value of curl of a is this. So the final value of curl of a is minus x minus y I plus 0j plus y plus z k. So put find curl of a at point 1 2 minus 3 we will get the value of curl of 8 point. This is minus 3i plus 0j minus k. And after that, in that curl, put second point 2 3 minus 12. After putting, we will get second vector minus 5i plus 0j plus 15k. Now we are given that to show that these vectors are orthogonal. So these two vectors are orthogonal. That means the dot product of this two vector is 0. So take dot product and the value of this dot product is 0. Hence proved. Thus the vectors are orthogonal. If we will not get the answer is 0, then these two vectors are not orthogonal. Third question, if f bar equals to 2xz square I minus yzj plus 3xz square k, then find curl of f bar. In this question, first calculate curl of f bar. We will get the value of curl of f bar. After getting this value, again find the curl of vector. That is curl of vector f bar. So let f bar is this. Calculate del cross f bar, means first write component ijk, then in second row write component of del, and write in third row write component of f bar. After simplifying, after taking determinant, we will get the final value of curl of f bar is yi minus j 3z square minus 4x square plus 0k. So again we have to calculate curl of this curl of, that means del cross f bar. Okay, curl of vector function means del cross f bar. So again calculate determinant. Okay, so in first row of determinant write ijk, then in second row write component of del, and in third row write component of del cross f, that means y minus 3z square minus 4x square and 0. After solving it, we will get the value of curl of f bar is 6z minus 4xi plus 0j plus 4z minus 1k. This is the value of curl of vector point function. Okay. If you will have any problem, then ask me. This is the very important part of this question. Okay.